Although many camera manufacturers have moved away from offering wide-ranging compact camera lines, one area where they have maintained a footing is with waterproof options. A waterproof camera can be used to capture images and videos underwater. It can be used for shoots as one is swimming, snorkeling, or with a remotely operated underwater vehicle. There are various kinds of waterproof cameras available in the market with a variety of features, so you must choose wisely by considering your requirements. Thus, if you're looking for one, then we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Fujifilm XP130 offers waterproof to 65 feet, shockproof up to 5.8 feet, freeze-proof to 14 degrees, and dustproof, which makes this camera ideal for all your outdoor adventures. It features an internal 5x optical Fujinon zoom lens, which means that you can zoom right up to the action even underwater. It combines its 5x optical zoom with intelligent digital zoom, which results in double the zoom range, 10 times, while offering optimum image processing. Also, it has a 16.4 megapixel back illuminated CMOS sensor, capable of delivering advanced image quality, even underwater or low light conditions. Besides, its CMOS shift optical image stabilization system controls camera shake, even in low light or when zoomed in. It has a larger 3-inch high-definition 920K dot LCD monitor, and it features an anti-reflective coating, assuring that it's bright and easy to use even in bright and sunny conditions. Moreover, it is enhanced with new and exciting features, including Bluetooth capability, geotagging, double exposure, and electronic level. The Ricoh WG-50 offers shockproof, ruggedized design that protects from drops up to 5 feet and has enhanced digital microscope mode, which uses 6 macro LEDs for perfect focus and smoothing, even lighting. It provides a waterproof performance down to 14 meters and is shockproof against falls from a height of 1.6 meters. Also, it features a freeze-proof design to withstand temperatures as low as -10, and it is crush-proof against weights up to 100 kilograms force. It comes with a high-performance image processing engine and a back-illuminated CMOS sensor which boasts high optical efficiency. Besides, it uses white balance optimized for underwater photos, making colors appear more natural by adding reds that tend to get lost in photos taken underwater. Moreover, it has a 5x optical zoom lens, which also contributes to this flexibility and covers a wide angle to telephoto 28 to 140mm equivalent focal length range. Another advantage is that it provides 6 LED lights, which also surround the lens to help illuminate close-up subjects for macro shooting. The Nikon W300 comes with a waterproof, freeze-proof, shockproof, and dustproof adventure camera with extra capabilities. You can capture stunning high-resolution photos, 4K Ultra HD videos, time-lapse videos, superlapse videos, and music montages. The 5x optical zoom Nikkor lens with telephoto power and hybrid VR image stabilization. It supports the Nikon SnapBridge app, which can automatically back up your photos to Nikon image space as you shoot them. Share the moment while it's still happening. Also, it uses the built-in GPS, compass, altimeter, Wi-Fi, and Bluetooth Low Energy to track and share every heart-pounding moment. Besides, it offers a vibration reduction feature, which helps to minimize the appearance of camera shake for sharper handheld imagery. Another advantage is that it provides a high-resolution 16-megapixel BSI CMOS sensor, which benefits both stills shooting as well as video recording, with the ability to shoot continuously up to 7 frames per second, record video at UHD 4K/30p, and produce low-noise imagery with a sensitivity range of ISO 100 to 6400. The GoPro Hero 6 comes with 4K, 60, and 1080p 240 video, and it delivers 2 times the performance compared to Hero 5 Black with an all-new GP1 chip optimized for GoPro capture. Also, it provides vastly improved image quality. The HDR photo allows you to capture dynamic scenes that have vibrant, natural color with bright details. The electronic image stabilizer can minimize shake and vibration distortion to help keep your footage steady. Also, the built-in Wi-Fi and Bluetooth make it easy to edit, watch, and share. Besides, the integrated dual microphone system with advanced wind noise reduction provides a rich soundscape and automatically filters out wind noise, capturing more of the sounds that you care about. Moreover, it features 5 GHz Wi-Fi. You can copy videos and photos over your phone 3 times faster. You can also use the GoPro app to control your camera remotely, view your photos and videos, and share on the fly. Claiming the first place on the list of the best waterproof cameras, we have the Olympus TG-5. It comes with a 12 megapixel high-speed image sensor for improved low-light performance and noise reduction. It has a blazing fast f2.0 lens made to capture action and adventure. It is equipped with a field sensor system, which records various field data so you can recreate the shooting experience on your smartphone. The variable macro system consists of 4 shooting modes for expanded macro photography and 2 separately available accessories for close-up shooting. Also, the high-speed movie is also supported, providing 120 frames per second recording capability at full HD resolution. Besides, it buffers a running series of high-resolution images, and then captures an exact moment plus the previous 5 frames with a single button press. Thanks for watching.